Imagine staring at a $5,000 engine repair quote, only to discover Ford would have covered it for free under a hidden extension. That's the reality for thousands of Americans yearly, losing billions to ignorance. Ready to flip the script and force brands to pay? This trick changed my buddy's life. Stick around to make it yours. Hey there, gearheads and everyday drivers. Welcome back to Car Secret Hacks, your go-to spot for uncovering the hidden gems that keep your wheels turning without breaking the bank. Today, we're exposing the secret warranty trick that forces brands to pay for repairs. In a world where US car repair costs have skyrocketed, averaging over $500 per visit, according to recent stats, many owners are left footing massive bills for defects that aren't their fault. But what if I told you manufacturers often quietly covered these fixes through undisclosed programs? We're talking free engine swaps, transmission overhauls, and more, even years after your warranty expires. I'll walk you through how to spot them, leverage them, and make big auto brands pony up. Buckle up, this could save you thousands on your next headache. Number 1. Unmasking the secret warranty, what it really is. Let's kick this off by demystifying the beast. A secret warranty, also slyly called a warranty extension or customer satisfaction campaign, is when car makers agree to foot the bill for specific defects long after your standard warranty runs out. We're not talking minor stuff. Think major failures like peeling paint or faulty engines. In the US, these aren't advertised because brands don't want a flood of claims draining their profits. But they're real, often buried in Technical Service Bulletins (TSBs) sent to dealers. Picture this: your 2018 SUV starts guzzling oil, and Hyundai might cover a full rebuild for free. Knowledge like this turns victims into victors, saving everyday folks from financial ruin. Number 2. Why do manufacturers hide these programs? Ever wonder why big auto giants play hide-and-seek with your money? It's simple: publicity costs them big. If everyone knew about these extensions, claims would skyrocket, hitting their bottom line. These programs pop up when defects show patterns like a spike in warranty claims or lawsuits brewing. Take class action suits. Settlements often force goodwill repairs without admitting fault. In states like California, with strong consumer laws, hiding them can even lead to penalties. My neighbor in Texas fought a denied claim, only to uncover a secret program via a leaked TSB. Brands bank on your ignorance, don't let them win. Number 3. Secret warranties versus recalls and standard coverage. Don't confuse these with safety recalls, which are mandatory, free forever, and blasted everywhere via an HTSA alerts. Recalls fix dangers like faulty airbags. Secret warranties handle annoyances or premature failures, like wonky transmissions. Standard warranties? Their time, mileage limited say 3 years, 36,000 miles bumper to bumper. Secrets extend that quietly, sometimes to 10 years. For instance, unlike a recall's lifetime fix, a secret might cap at 150,000 miles. Understanding this saved a viewer from Florida $2,000 on a non-safety brake issue. No, the difference is to play your cards right. Number 4. Your legal rights under US secret warranty laws. In America, you're not powerless. Laws in states like Illinois and New York mandate disclosure if a program exists. Under secret warranty laws, the FTC's Magnuson-Moss Act protects against shady denials, and lemon laws in places like Ohio cover repeated defects. If a brand stonewalls, escalate to your state's attorney general or file a complaint. Remember Sarah from Michigan? Her Chevy's rust was denied until she cited a state law forcing GM to pay $1,500. Arm yourself with these rights. They're your secret weapon against corporate greed. Number 5. Common car issues covered by secret programs. These aren't random, they target widespread woes. Think engine oil consumption in Subarus, transmission slips in Fords, or AC failures in Hondas. Rust perforation on older trucks, often covered for 10 years. With US roads salting winters, corrosion hits hard in the Midwest. Electronics glitches post-2020 models? Software updates are free under many secrets. A fan in Pennsylvania shared how his Jeep's infotainment blackout was fixed gratis. Issues like these rack up $1,000 plus bills without the trick. Spot your symptom, you're likely golden. Number 6. Real example Ford's EcoBoost engine extension. Let's dive into a juicy case. Ford's secret for 2017 to 2019 Escalate SUVs and Fusion sedans with 1.7-liter EcoBoost engines. If yours overheats or loses power, they extend coverage to 80 for months, unlimited miles for repairs. Why widespread coolant leaks causing failures? John from Arizona towed his dead Escalade, facing for $1,000 out of pocket until he mentioned the TSB. Ford paid everything, including the tow. This program saved owners millions. Check if your VIN qualifies via an HTSA. Number 7. Hyundai's massive powertrain Lifeline. Hyundai's a champ here, extending powertrains to 15 years, 150,000 miles on models from 2010 to 2021 like Sonatas and Elantras. Covers engine knocks from manufacturing flaws. Amid US inflation squeezing budgets, this is a godsend. Picture Lisa in California, her 2015 Sonata seizing at 120,000 miles. Dealer quoted $6,000. She pushed the extension-free rebuild. It's not automatic. You must advocate, but it's forced Hyundai to pay out big for loyal owners. Number 8. Subaru's brake boost for Ascent owners. Subaru owners rejoice for 2019 to 2020 for Ascent SUVs. Front brake warranties extend due to premature work causing vibrations. Up to 7 years, 100,000 miles for pads and rotors. In snowy New England, this hits home. Brakes fail faster on salted roads. Mike from Vermont felt the shake at 50,000 miles. $800 quote vanished when he cited the program. Subaru's customer satisfaction label hides it, but it's real savings for family haulers. Number 9. Step 1 to victory: search TSBs on NHTSA.gov. Your first move? Hit up the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's site-NHTSA.gov. Plug in your make, model, year. Click Service Bulletins, TSBs list issues, fixes, and if extensions apply. It's free, user-friendly for us non-mechanics. I did this for my old Tacoma, found a frame rust extension saving $2,000. Pro tip: enter your VIN for precision. It flags exact matches. Don't skip this. It's the map to buried treasure. Number 10. Gather your ammo VIN, mileage, and symptoms. Before calling, arm up. Note your VIN on your dash or title, current mileage, exact symptoms, for example, engine knocks at idle. Snap photos of warning lights. This shows you're serious, not fishing. In busy US shops, vague complaints get brushed off. My cousin in Georgia prepped like this for a GM transmission dealer, couldn't deny the match. Prep work turns maybe into must pay. Number 11. Scripting your dealer call like a pro. Dial the service department. Hi, my VIN is number. I've seen TSB number for issue. Does this apply and is it covered under extension? Be polite but firm. Dealers get bonuses for upsells, so push gently if hesitant. Ask for the manager. A viewer in Illinois scripted this for a VW Turbo fail, got $3,000 covered. Practice in the mirror, confidence forces action. Number 12. Dealer denies. Don't back down, verify independently. Denials happen, maybe they claim not applicable. Cross-check with another dealer or indie mechanic. Many access TSBs. In competitive US markets, shops vie for business. Tom's Ford in Ohio said no. He drove 20 miles to another yes. free fix. Persistence pays. Don't let one no steal your savings. Number 13. Escalate to the manufacturer's hotline. Dealer stonewalling? Call corporate Ford at 1-800-39-3673, Hyundai at 800-633-55151. Reference the TSB. Per your program, this should be covered. They're trained for this. Many approve on the spot. With U.S. consumer complaints rising, they fear bad press. Emily from Nevada did this for a Kia Soul corporate over the dealer, saving $1,200. Number 14. Bring in the big guns. BBB and Attorney General. Still no? File with the Better Business Bureau bbb.org or your state's ag office. They mediate for free. In lemon-heavy states like Florida, this pressures brands. A fan story: ag complaint forced Toyota to cover a $4,000 hybrid battery post-warranty. It's low effort, high-impact brands hate public disputes. Number 15. Document everything. Your paper shield. Emails, call logs, photos build a trail. In disputes, this proves diligence. U.S. courts love evidence. Even threats of small claims work wonders. When my uncle in Wisconsin faced a denial, his folder flipped. A GM paid $2,500. Treat it like a case file. It's your insurance. Number 16. Success story from breakdown to breakthrough. Meet Dave from Colorado. His 2018 Fusion died mid-commute. $5,000 quote. Researched Ford's EcoBoost secret called corporate. Cited TSB. Full coverage. Rental car included. I felt like a detective, he said. Stories like Dave's inspire. You could be next. Number 17. Another win. Hyundai heroine. Rachel in Oregon's 2012 Elantra knocked badly at 140,000 miles. Dealer said tough luck. She found the 15-year extension online. Escalated free engine. Amid rising gas prices, this kept her family mobile. Real folks, real savings proof the trick works. Number 18. Special tips for used car buyers. Bought pre-owned, secrets often transfer. Check history via Carfax for prior TSBs and the used market booming post-2025 shortages. This edges out deals. A viewer snagged a 2020 Ascent cheap, then got Subaru's brake fix free. Turned a bargain into a steal. Number 19. Prevent future heartache with maintenance. While chasing secrets, don't neglect basic oil changes, tire rotations. Well-maintained rides qualify easier for extensions in harsh US climates. This extends life. Pair it with the trick for ultimate protection. Proactive beats reactive every time. Number 20. Own your power. You're the boss now. You've got the blueprint. Research, advocate, escalate. In a system stacked against us, this trick levels the field. Share your wins below. We're building a community of savvy drivers. Drive empowered. Force those brands to pay up. There you have it, the secret warranty trick demystified. From spotting TSBs to winning escalations, with real examples like Ford's engines and Hyundai's powertrains proving it works. In tough economic times, this empowers U.S. owners to fight back against unfair repair costs, saving thousands while holding brands accountable. Persistence and knowledge are your keys to free fixes. What if your next big bill turns into a brand payout? You've got the tools, use them wisely. Stay vigilant and never pay for what shouldn't be yours to bear. Love this insider scoop? Hit like if it could save you cash. Comment your car horror stories or wins will shout out the best. Subscribe to Car Secret Hacks for more game-changing tips, and head to carsecrethacks.com for free TSB guides. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.